Paabot naman to. Kung mag-palpitate naman ako. Found the spot. Kita niyo ba yung visual? Hey girlies, it's Nicole and here are the things I do with someone. Nandito ako sa Starball guys kasi sasakay ako ng MRT. Pero look what I found. Meron na rin palang KKV dito. Ang daming cute stuff. First time ko pumasok ng KKV guys, pero hindi naman kasi yung agenda natin. So, balik na tayo dun some other time. Actually, hindi ko na maalala kung saan dito yung MRT. Yung pinaka-last kong commute was 5 years ago nung college pa ako. Found it guys! Guys, for Gcash pala yun. Daling walang tao sa MRT. Kaya pala walang tao yung train. Hindi pala yung magsasakay. Kasama ko na ang aking friend. First stop, Cubao Expo. Meron kaming gustong itry. Last year pa.
And hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Chili peanut noodles.
Thank you.
Salted egg, right? Holiday.
First order namin yung chili peanut na laging trending online. And ayan, salted egg. Pero hindi siya mukhang salted egg. Parang yung, ganun. Kain na kami. Mamaya na kayo.
Sarap.
Girl, ang sarap. Bail out na kami.
Aftermath.
We found the spot. Second stop, Fashion Point. Aray, padapa. I feel like this is okay. Because I'm gonna have like a pink bubble skirt. Kita niyo ba yung visual? Hindi. I kinda want this one. Second, Ukay stop. Third and last, Ukay stop. Naghanap kami kung saan kami pwede mag-matcha na pwede kami umupo. Last stop. Sana last stop. Dito kami sa Silangan Cafe. So, I ordered their iced matcha sa pot. I got
Pink horchata.
paabot naman to. Kung mag-palpitate naman ako. It's kinda sweet. Familiar. Matcha expert. Kayo guys, mahilig kayo mag-ukay. Meron kayong energy.
Huwag kayo dito.
Kung may energy kayo, doon kayo punta sa Fashion Expo. Kagaya namin